Good morning, everyone. This is class 7th English, and today we are going to learn chapter 2, A Gift of Chappals, part 3. Previously, we have learned about this chapter's 2 parts. Now we are going to learn its part number 3 and last part. Here said Ravi to the beggar. यहाँ पे क्या है कि बच्चे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, एंड वहाँ पे एक बैगर आता है भीख मांगने के लिए, और लास्ट में उसको कुछ नहीं दिया जाता है। तो बैगर, बच्चों को लगता है कि इसके पैर हैं, वो गर्मी में जलेंगे, इसलिए इसको कुछ चप्पल दे दे। Here said Ravi to the beggar, dropping the slippers in front of the old man, wear these and don't come back. The beggar stared at the slippers, hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulders, pushed his feet into them and left, muttering a blessing to the children. In a minute, he had vanished around the corner of the street. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि रवि उसको चप्पल देता है, तो बैगर पहन के जल्दी जल्दी भाग जाता है, चला जाता है, और थोड़ी देर में, एक ही मिनट में, थोड़ी देर में वो जो रास्ता है, स्ट्रीट है, उससे गायब हो जाता है। The music master came out of the house and took an unappreciative look at the three of them sitting quietly under the tree, playing marbles. Then he searched for his chappals in the veranda, where he had put them. Lali, he called. After a few moments, she hurried up to him. Have you seen my chappals, my dear? I remember having kept them here. वो अपनी चप्पल ढूंढते रहते हैं और लाली को बुलाते हैं, लाली, तुमने मेरी चप्पल्स देखी? मैंने यहीं पे रखी थी। Ravi, Mridu and Meena silently watched Lali and the music master search every corner of the veranda. He scurried around, looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pots to look between them. Brand new they were. I went all the way to Mount Road to buy them. He went on saying, the cost a whole month's fees. Do you know? तो यहाँ पे बताते हैं म्यूजिक मास्टर कि ये चप्पल बहुत महंगी थी, एक महीने की कमाई जो फीस थी उसके जितनी थी, और ब्रांड न्यू चप्पल थी। Soon Lali went in to tell her mother. Rukumani appeared, looking harassed, with Pati following her. Where could they be? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. So many vendors come to the door, worried Pati. Rukumani caught sight of Ravi, Mridu and Meena sitting under the tree. Have you children? She began. And then, seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? A sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. Another straight, tighter one appeared in place of her usually soft, pleasant mouth. Rukumani was angry, thought Mridu with a shiver. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet, she tried to tell herself. Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukumani, there was a beggar here, poor thing. He had such a boils on his feet. So said Rukumani grimly, turning to Ravi, you gave the music master's chappals to that old beggar who turns up here? Children these days groaned Pati. Amma, didn't you tell me about Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earrings? He was so kind and generous. Silly, snapped Rukmani. Silly, snapped Rukumani. Karna didn't give away other people's things. He only gave away his own. देखो रवि ने कहा कि मम्मी आपने कहा नहीं था कि ये कर्ण है, उसने अपनी सारी जो चीजें हैं गिफ्ट में दान में दे दी थी, मगर कर्ण ने खुद की दी थी, किसी और दूसरे की नहीं दी थी। और यहाँ इन बच्चों ने, रवि, मृदु और मीना ने क्या किया था कि म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल्स हैं वो बैगर को दे दी थी। बट माई चप्पल्स वुडंट हैव फिटेड द बैगर्स फीट। रवि रश्ड ब्रैशली ऑन, एंड अम्मा, इफ दे डिड फिट, would you really not have minded? Ravi, said Rukumani, very angry now. Go inside this minute. She hurried indoors and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. These should fit you, sir. Please put this on. I am so sorry. My son has been very naughty. The music master's eyes lit up. He put them on, trying not to look too happy. Well, I suppose this will have to do. These days, children have no respect for elders. What to do? A Hanuman incarnate. Only Ram can save such a naughty fellow. Rukumani's eye flashed. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey, even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. When he had clattered off in his new chappals, she said, Mridu, come in and have some tiffin. Honestly, how do you children think of such a things? Thank God your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. As she walked toward the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he comes home. What's your mama going to say this evening when I tell him I gave his chappals to the music master? Vasantha Surya from Mridu in Madras, Guru Chakka turns up. So here was the story of little children who gave away music master's chappals to beggar, and it shows sympathy of humankind, and we should be kind and generous to beggar, needy people and poor peoples. This is the moral of the story. Okay, goodbye.